Welcome to class. What you're looking at here is called the drug schedule. And at the federal level, in 1970, the Congress enacted what's called the Controlled Substance Act. It was an effort to categorize and regulate drugs based on their potential for abuse, as well as the benefits they provide from a medical standpoint. So if you look at the schedule, drugs are classified into 5 distinct categories. They are Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now this is depending upon the drug's acceptable medical use and the drug's abuse or dependency potential given the federal government. The abuse rate is determinant factor in the scheduling of the drug. So for example, if you look at Schedule 1, Schedule 1 is said to have the highest potential for abuse and the potential to create psychological and physical dependence. It doesn't have any medical uses as far as the federal government goes. It has a high potential for abuse again, and it's right up there with heroin, LSD, mescaline, and ecstasy. So Schedule 2, 3, 4, and 5, as they go down, they represent the least potential for abuse. And the reason that I'm bringing up the drug schedule here is to really segue it into the conversation about the banks. So at the federal level, marijuana is considered illegal. At the state level, in some states, that is, like Massachusetts, it's considered legal. Banks absolutely want to have nothing to do with lending you money or doing business with you if you're doing something illegal at the federal level. Now, that is why you as a bud tender and the dispensary will use cash only.